We're here again, and I'm going to walk you through our development phase. With Vue being the main focus for our project, we decided that other web-based media sources should be included to assist students and our SME in their collaboration and group-based efforts. Some of the other media that we decided to include tutorials for were YouTube, wikis, and jings, or screenshots. We decided to incorporate wikis so that students can blog, collaborate, and design projects and present their work in a website-like format. We decided to incorporate YouTube tutorials so that students and the SME know how to create videos, upload the videos, and embed the videos into Vue and other media sources. We also included jing, or screenshots, so that the user can learn how to capture images on a computer or even a video on the computer and share that with others, which is a great tool to use with Vue. We developed the tutorial on Vue, and we included the other components so that users have all this access to learning material and they can learn it at their own pace and utilize only the tools that they feel are needed for a certain task. Since the tutorial is self-guided, users can view the content in increments or in pieces and go back and relearn content they may be unfamiliar with or not confident with, and it can focus on individual portions of a task. For our project, we went with a minimalistic design. We wanted to keep the site simple so that we don't overwhelm the users with excessive graphics or obscure color palettes. We didn't want to make the tutorial look too confusing or too busy. The links are easily identifiable. They're easy to figure out how to navigate through. The videos are concrete and simple screencasts using Jing and are actual demonstrations of a trainer manipulating the site. This is going to permit the user to see firsthand how the site works, how to set it up, and all the steps that are needed to manipulate the interface and use it on their own. Again, this is very self-guided. The basic skills that the user will need before actually using these tutorials is they need to have the ability to use a simple computer or other device and navigate the internet to access the tutorial web page. They need to know basic website navigation skills, such as how to identify links and click links and open in new tabs. They also need to understand how to click on the embedded videos to play them for viewing. Another basic skill needed by the user is an understanding of how to use a webcam, microphone, or just simply have basic typing skills. We want the user to already know how to access or download files from their computer. Vue is expected to be very easy to use and a great resource, allowing Dr. Lilly to have flexibility meeting with his students while he's away. This also offers the instructor the chance to communicate with his groups that he's assigned or give them resources that they may need to access at their own convenience. We've projected that the students will also get great use from this system as they collaborate with their peers or groups for all kinds of group projects, and also the ability to share materials and other resources. We wanted to focus on how we will determine whether or not the expected outcome could be reached. We decided that since Dr. Lilly would probably not be implementing this with his students in the spring 2014 semester, that we should run a trial test with a group of high school social studies students. We chose a group of social studies students as one member of our group has the ability to implement this in his classroom, and we felt that this would simulate a typical undergraduate class that Dr. Lilly may encounter in his future semesters. We wanted the data to show us whether or not our tutorial was effective, and this informed the group and the team of changes that needed to be made in order to have a smooth and successfully designed product for Dr. Lilly to use in his upcoming semesters.